Good day, Bon Aire, Bon Aireanians, Bon Aireites, YouTube land. Well, I'm in the barn, which now I'm calling the shop. And I got the wood stove all cleaned up. Here we go. Got all the mess that was cleaned up that was around here. It is going, and it is so nice. Yep, it'll heat up this area. I have cleaned up the garage, shop, barn, whatever. Look at this. You can actually see concrete floor now. I got rid of tons and tons and tons of paint cans and old stuff. And actually, it's starting to look like a shop. Totally stoked. Got some windows over here I need to replace, some panes that have fallen out. But this is going to be a very productive area for future use. Of course, I've got tons of stuff to do on the property, lots of trees to cut down, which I was doing yesterday, and paint the entire inside and outside of the house. But hey, that's minor stuff. We'll get to that soon. But the garage, shop, barn, whatever you want to call it, is looking good.